So for the first time ever, KCPE candidates will find out their schools of admission way earlier than is traditional. The Ministry of Education launched the Form 1 selection process today, and Caroline B was there.
Over 100 national school principals assembled to streamline the selection process, as majority are required to create more space to accommodate additional students. Candidates who topped KCPE in hardship areas will also get slots in the much-acclaimed national schools, as the government plans to regularly reshuffle national school heads and their deputies to county and sub-county schools in order to strengthen the education system in the country.
Does it mean that if my child from Tana River, who got 360 marks and was the top student in Tana River, I guess this is a hypothetical mark, is not going to be selected to a national school? No. What we've done, the formula that is used for selection, is conscious of this, and the ministry ensures equity in placement in national schools by applying sub-county quotas based on candidate strength and affirmative action.
In a bid to get rid of cartels in the education sector, the ministry will provide each student joining Form 1 with textbooks of the major subjects, that is maths, English, Kiswahili, chemistry, biology and physics. Education CS Fred Matiangi says this move will also prevent sharing of textbooks among a high number of learners. Stakeholders in the publishing sector say the government will save 7 billion shillings from the 21 billion shillings it spends annually in textbook distribution.
And the textbooks are going to bear special marks. They will look like this. They have a coat of arms on it, which indicates not for sale. The textbooks will look like this so that they are not sold in bookshops. There will be textbooks procured with public resources.
Some school heads who sought anonymity, however, lamented, saying not all schools have the capacity and infrastructure to house extra students, noting the ministry has not yet financed the intake process.
We've had cases where we have to go down because these students who have chances, who the ministry has allocated to come to our school, do not come. We are forced as a school to go down and get maybe a second selection students, so even of lower marks than that of a national school. So that one has happened, and we don't expect it this year because we expected also to perform.
I've checked on my list, and the first student has 412 marks, while the last student has 388 marks. Yes, and they're all boys, 288 of them from all over the country. So, of course, that one gives the class a bit, becomes a bit competitive.
The selection process will be completed on 12th December as the ministry eyes to hire more teachers to balance the teacher-student ratio. All students who scored 400 marks and above will get a chance to join a national school, irrespective of whether they were in a private or public school. Caroline B, KTN News.